awareness is self-knowledge, awareness of the soul and its divine origin. To cite yet another example from the